Welcome back to the 14-day Flutter beginner series. This is day 4, and today we'll build the user interface for a simple to-do list app. We'll use column, row, text field, and elevated button to create a layout that lets users add tasks dynamically. Let's get started. This line imports the Flutter material package, which includes all the basic widgets we need to build a UI. This is the entry point of our app. We call Run App and pass our root widget, My App. This is a stateless widget that builds the root of the app. Material App. This widget sets up the basic theme and navigation structure. This sets the To-Do page widget as the main screen of our app. Stateful widget. We use a stateful widget because the list of tasks will change dynamically. This controller allows us to read the user's input from the text field. This is a list that stores all our to-do items. This function checks if the input is not empty, then adds it to the list and clears the input field. SetState tells Flutter to rebuild the UI. Let's start by overriding the build method to define what our widget will look like. We're using a scaffold widget to build the basic layout structure. At the top, we've got an app bar with a title that says, Day 4 ToDoList UI. In the body section, we're adding padding of 24 pixels to keep things neat and spaced out. Now within the column, we've got a row to place input and buttons side by side. We use expanded here to make the text field fill up the available horizontal space. This is the text field where users can type a new task. We've added a label that says, Enter a task. Next, we give a bit of breathing room with a sized box 10 pixels wide. Finally, we have an elevated button labeled Add. When pressed, it triggers the Add To Do function. We start by adding a vertical gap of 20 pixels with a sized box to create space between widgets. Next up is an expanded widget that contains a ListView.builder. This makes sure our list takes up all the remaining space. Now we define how each item in the list should be built using the Item Builder function. Each item is shown as a list tile, and we display the task's name by indexing into the ToDoList. We set the item count to the length of our ToDoList so the builder knows how many items to create. Awesome job! You just built a fully working to-do list UI in Flutter using column, row, text field, and ListView. In the next video, we'll make the list more powerful by allowing you to delete tasks and show a message when the list is empty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you on day 5.